Yes guys, welcome back to our channel, to Anya Angie Kitchen. Right now you can see the settings right now. See the settings there? Of red stripe, of Heineken, and some Stella. Our brethren them just come check me, so
yeah, man, respect to it.
yeah. As soon as our brethren come check in, we'll say how things will go on.
Yeah.
That's what we have on the table here. Some green banana, yam, and we have some chicken back here. When I see it's not from here today. Yeah, smell good. So we're going to start the boat here now, you know.
Boss at attack here. Me and him chat 15 times again.
Which boss that?
And Jesus that.
You're Jesus?
Yeah, man.
A man you preach to no lion?
Man, you have no idea what things when do to me.
When do you lion?
You have no idea, Tony. Let me show you something.
When you deal with witchcrafting, you know lion, I want to go on.
Witchcraft, man, I talk about witchcraft. If I never him me dead right now.
What man did?
Who's here now, Miss Angie? Good? Alright. Banana?
What do you mean? They don't come out nice here, man?
It come out nice same way? So you say you don't have to actually take it out the skin, eh?
No, sir.
Huh?
You don't have to do that.
Because cook just as good, eh? So you have some yum,
Already you time it after 40 minutes, you know. Time for you to take it out, eh?
Yeah. And it easy come out of the skin that time, eh?
Okay, I'm going to use the sea curry chicken
Yeah.
and the sea banana, right?
Yeah. Alright. So I'm lying at the phone today, you know. Him and the cooker man today, you know.
No, this servant.
Him right in him alley right, you know, whether in this kind of cooking, you know.
Let me get some rice.
Yes, 1 hour boss.
Man said 1 hour before the boat land. We'll see if him good at his word. Huh?
Let me peel the yam first before we
Start the fire.
The two of them can cook the same time.
Can see? Wow. Pretty, eh?
Yes, let me sell the best yam and foreign still.
Brother, anytime you want a piece of yellow yam now, no freeze or
Yeah.
Or
the other
Metro.
one. Metro.
Metro. Not Metro. Fresco. They must sell good stuff, man.
Fresco wicked.
Yeah.
Remember them want to keep them relationship. A Chulani these come from. Manchester Rampion, no man.
Where is that Chulani yam, eh?
Julie man going the other day.
The Chulani take over everything. You know, a while ago I go in there and try to pick up mango, but they're not right.
But guess what? Are those stores that killing the West Indian store, you know?
West Indian market.
The West Indian market.
Tap into it now. But you see, the problem is, a lot of them black people are West Indian store. I mean, they're trying to get rich off of one customer.
After one item, yeah.
And then they work together, figure a market, go buy wholesale.
Yeah.
So they can put their money together and get the stuff cheaper. Everybody want to do it for them own.
Yeah.
You understand? The Indian them do it, the Chinese them do it. Learn from the blueprint and work together. If you don't work together, we will never get ahead.
I watch this now. I think these are $3.99. This cheap.
$3.99 a pound?
Alright. You see me go palm thing there?
Yeah.
Packing.
Yeah, no,
It's about $5 something a pound.
At the West Indian store, eh?
At the West Indian.
So where people going to buy it?
You get me?
And sometimes you get better quality yam here too.
What me do now?
They find themselves out of
Sometimes when I go there now, I'm one piece of yam, I just buy it. Because can't bother bun gas to go, you know. You understand?
And say, he not wait till tomorrow, Neil.
No, because they sound like you enjoy soccer.
I know who they are watching.
I coach, I enjoy on the football.
Yeah. Andrew said she not do nothing today.
I Tony like him raise up, you know, and he probably look for Angie and just...
See, oh, you know what's Andy? I see a picture. I see a picture, you know.
I want to go with it. So when you call it out, and buck me a buck, you know, sleep with it, you know. And he said, no.
Check what I gotta go out with. Wow. Chicken back today, man, and some banana and some green banana and some yam and dumpling. And the thing today, you know. Wow, that looks really good, like yeah.
Sit down. We now go home again. So just go boom, straight right there, take a shower. And then I went out. And here I am. But I know you.
And do you have a cover for that pot there?
Some.
No. I'm gonna have to get some pot.
Yeah, get some for
I
it.
know what you mean, man. Sometimes you just.
I like this one, Andy. Wet up, eh? Just done rain. There you go. Turn this down. But the water left on the make that blaze like that, you know. Turn off that one and move it over.
You never know the St. Vincent. They almost sound like Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Look like a place where I don't have to go still.
I trouble you, Lion.
It'll take a while.
It'll take a while for it to start bubble up, eh?
Because it open.
See what I'm going with it. That's it, good, man.
Still. You know, I put too much water. I just...
Yeah. And salt. Not much.
10 minutes.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, talk about man. Man to name food and get some.
You say, name food in my hand? And drink beer and be merry. And that you say, eh?
Yep.
You have up your red stripe now, you need what?
One life to live.
What do you mean?
Free
I represent
advertisement.
the country, boss, in a foreign now. What do you mean? I drink up red stripe. What do you mean? Andrew, what you drink?
Shandy, but it's inside.
Yeah, drink shandy. Sorrel shandy.
Yes, or shandy.
Yeah.
You remember that?
You can't pass no 5.
5 what, dumpling?
What kind of regular dumpling?
Get up green banana and dumpling for breakfast. Them not do it. A white rum and boom they want.
That's what I'm saying.
So the stove up. Oh, it's still going. Turn it up. Hold on.
Fire underneath, man.
Fire underneath it.
Good man.
Alright, better now. I'm gonna do what you do all that good.
Yeah, man.
Them tight.
And you know, I'm putting the dumpling them. Why, Angie, you said she not.
I wasn't touching anything. I wasn't doing anything today. And
But
they
you
have
can't
me
see.
making dumpling.
But you can't see food and don't touch it, eh?
No.
Now we are foodie, eh?
Yeah.
your food we deal with. We have the good old chicken back that we feel like to cook today. So I hit what cook.
Potato I put in there.
Talk about.
Sure, the yellow yam, you know. The American girl, man.
Have a yellow yam. Oh, you talk about like that?
Only girl me I depend on now for help Jamaica. What's her name?
In what? I wasn't here.
Track and field.
Serika? Serika?
Oh, that's for she, man. Yeah, the dark
Serika.
one.
Lynn Thomas.
She don't make it.
She can't manage the American girl.
Eh?
The American girl, she gotta eat them food.
Shakira?
What? Yo,
Like she ready,
you
man.
never know that's how she rich.
Unless she get hurt.
Brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Why you say the butter bubble up? Why you say it a bubble up? You see it's not now, eh? You take over the cooking here, Andrew, because I like sleep.
Me take it over and run better.
Better than how media run it.
No, I wouldn't say better than how you run it.
Mm-hmm.
Better than how you leave it.
Yeah,
Who you
yeah.
leave it with.
Yeah.
Better than who me leave it with.
With
Yeah.
that
Okay, okay.
No,
Because you know that, Lion, that place was one of the best run, eh?
But you know, me's a man, me's a businessman, right?
True.
Me's a man, me can run the bar, me can share food, me can cook food, and me play the music. Tony know. Me know how to deal with the people them. Alright. When me play the music, that's alright. You see when me see a crew of bad man them come in, me make them uncomfortable. Me make them have fun, but me I play calypso, me I play R&B, me I play lovers rock, me I play disco. Then can't tell me through. Then can't bad them.
Yeah. You know, play no music for help them.
Me I play nice music that people want to hear. Nobody not really walk out because I plays Ramsey in here.
That place was getting tastic when I sold it to the guy. It was,
You're toxic.
yeah, man.
When him start open the back door now and then the man of Fantoa and this and the whole of them start coming, I said that's it.
But Lion, you want spooky, you know. You know a man where harbor these people, you know. Anywhere then they play the man them.
I know harbor. You know, son, everybody, all people, enough of them fat. Him know that. Courtney them, the whole of them and the strange them, anywhere me do them there, Colin them, Vickers them, who do them, anywhere me I play them there.
Yeah.
It's not like young people alone follow me. Girls, and me and the girl them chiller.
O'Neal, when me I run that place, I do everything in a power to try to keep it under order, eh? When I tell I start getting out of hand, you know, and I leave, I close it up and go to Jamaica. For 2 weeks now. I leave it and go to Jamaica.
Cool it down.
To try cool on that place. And when I think everything cool on and I come back. The man them out of the door they hear that I'm coming, eh? And them outside waiting on me. And you know that same night I land, I go there because I was doing some renovation in there, eh?
See.
And they asked me to they want me to open so bad that the man them come and help me clean up, they help me do everything. Lion, he was there. He helped me to clean up, they helped me so we could open that night.
See.
They couldn't wait one more night.
Miss the place so bad.
They miss it so bad. I say from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
5 a time, 10. Remember, Tony?
Yeah.
And time we are try iron.
So liquor, drink and
Every day,
yeah.
the amount of money he make, he pay me by 12 o'clock.
This is the man I run, man. I make sure so take care of your car.
Yeah, man.
You're the only man where I work, I play sound, and 12 o'clock me get paid. You hear me say? People are come a party 9, 10 o'clock, and me get paid by Eliza.
Yeah, man, it was one of the best run
12 o'clock.
Business.
bar in a Toronto right now, trust me.
Watch this.
Because we never put up with no bullshit and no man couldn't come down and get no alcohol after hours, you know, brother.
It's when Ron Robin come now.
We used to do the round robin also.
Me nobody me tell you say, yo, just keep the money, man. Cause the money enough for. When Sunday night
Regular
come,
customer.
when Sunday night come, the Friday, Saturday, money, just everything pile up and he will give me extra $200, you know. Cause one thing, anytime I say, yo, squeeze or something.
Get it.
Because in pocket so full of money.
Told him when I talk a secret.
No,
star.
I said,
But not a secret.
but Lion is lackadaisical doing it, man.
Yeah, no.
How?
One night on you almost robbed me in there, you know.
But I never realize.
And Lion, up to now, Lion don't pick up what I go on, you know, man.
Never. Me not.
Lion now pay
You know,
attention, you know, I'm like, oh my God.
So how the man stick you up?
No, what happened, right? I was, after the bar closed and everything, so I went inside the kitchen.
Record?
Yeah. I went inside the kitchen, and I was in the kitchen, and then the man just come in the kitchen for me, you know. With me have all the money in my hand and everything, and the man come in the kitchen for me, you know. And I talk some weird way to me, you know, and I'm like, I see Lion in a distance, like, and I try sign Lion, like come in here, man, because me and the guy in there, you know, the guy should not be in there, corner me in there, and I'm like, I try to like sign Lion, like get in here, but at the same time, I'm there trying to protect myself because I there was a knife right on the table and I put my hand right on it.
Yeah.
I said, anyhow he come at me, I'm gonna.
You know,
give
sometimes
it to
things
him.
happen. Like me did it.
When you really
Hype
summarize
up after the party and him not even realize say that.
what's going on.
It come like as he mentioned that, you know. When me I play bada because who did take the Friday from me? I say, oh, people are complaining me I play too much night, me I play Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, every other Sunday. I said, me and you make a deal, right? You ask me if you play when you buy the place. I said, okay. I said, anyhow you switch, me have to find someone and play when Friday come. You go to nourish them 2 weeks time the place.
Mash up.
Man, you say you see. Me and give other people.
Give other people. But you
I'll give
know-
other people.
So you won't come up as a part of the package then?
No,
As I
what
said.
happened when I sold the business, right?
Yeah.
I sold it to the guy, and Lion continued to play for him.
That's what I'm trying to
But no,
figure out.
Lion has to him give it to somebody else to start playing. Because that guy, you know what the man said to me, O'Neill?
Yeah.
I got there one day, you know, after I sold him the business, and I said to him, you know, I'll give him the
Inside.
insight, you know, how to.
If you run it.
The man looked at me and said to me, say, I owe you anything, sir? I pay you everything, right? So basically,
Don't tell me nothing.
don't tell me how to run the business.
And you are run this business.
I mean, I run it for how much years successfully, and not even about how 2 months Lion after that, shooting happened there, place mash up, everything done,
Losing money.
lose
Try
everything.
save youth life, you know. Me take him and bring him down car. All him have to do, jump in your car and drive. You go take out machine. Take out machine, walk out. The man then just reverse, broke him back with the car.
You there? Yeah.
That go on?
How
So,
about
you mean the owner for the club?
No.
No.
Oh, an ex-youth.
An ex-youth.
Why you part then?
So you went
I
there?
know, so at the first night me ever talk to him, every week he come then,
So,
he never say a word to me. First night him did, I first night he talk to me. Because when he start charge $5 for coming in. Him can't run.
Him start to run it like a club, you know. But me, I never used to collect. I go on my, never collect
man,
there.
just come in and buy
People
food
just come in and buy, drink and.
Yeah.
Second week him do that, a man look at me and say, yo, you know, say I've done the place, done.
I know.
I said, boy, I know me want it.
Yeah. So what we're talking about here, guys, is I used to own a nightclub in Toronto here, and you know, back in the days, like in the early 2004 to 2008, I think it was, and you know, it was good while it lasted, and you know, but the guy Lion over here was my DJ. He was one of the best DJ you can find, you know. And ever since me and Lion been rolling, you know. But was getting too well, I should say, too out of hand. I couldn't control it no more, so I just passed it on, sold it to somebody else, you know, and it didn't last long. It's a couple months after that, there was some shooting there, you know, and you know the whole story about nightclub in Toronto.
Why you did the right thing?
You know the funniest thing though, Lion?
Tony smart enough. Tony sell the place with ram and money I make.
You know what I did, O'Neal?
Crazy money I making and him sell it.
Yeah, I was making a lot of money when I sold it, but I could see that something gonna happen because there was so much different strange people coming in, so much different, you know, it was scary. So what happened is when I left and I went to Niagara Falls for the weekend in a Lion and give the new owner for run it for the week just to get a feel of it, just to see how it go and thing. And when I come back, man, he feel good because a lot of money make, a lot of things make, so you know.
Man, sister,
I hit this and then just, you know. But
decide to just take it over.
Decided to take it over, you know. But it was good while it lasted. It was a good experience and thing, but never would go back into
club business.
Never would go back into a business like that again. Never. You know what I mean? Not here in Toronto at least, because you know.
I think back home we could have gone.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know.
On a certain scale.
Yeah, Angie, were you here talking about the experience we'll have when we're running Little Ochi in Scarborough? How was it?
Yeah, terrible.
Terrible, eh?
I would not want to do that again. See,
No?
use the season.
Or if you taste it when I pot, if you make other people taste it, man.
I wouldn't do it again.
No?
No, it was terrifying.
Terrifying, eh?
Yeah.
Well, you know, it was good while it lasted.
It was good while it lasted. We had fun. We met a lot of people, but
And you know, it started us off in life. It make us, you know, own what we own today.
yeah, but it's not a business I will go back into.
Never again.
Never again.
I know.
That bad, eh?
Yeah. You want boat run, you know, eh? Yeah. Look at this. Dumpling banana. The boat land boss. And again. Wow, the brother.
My food tastes good, man. No, man.
Look good though, eh? Wow. Yes, it's for me, so I mash up for me. I'll mash up mine, you know, brother. Hotty. Wow. The setting look good. Hope a red stripe, white rum, Heineken, curry chicken back and dumpling and yam, green banana. Can't get better. Lion, this is all the food, brother. You start here, you dig in?
Taste here now. Good old chicken back. Yeah, man.
If you under this wet, you know.
No, that's right.
Are you on this beer?
You think this?
That's all you get?
Yeah.
And are you on the DJ?
Watch this. When man I keep dancing, I have to beg me now. If he done it. Ask Tony. Me tell him sorry. I could 2 o'clock come when the bar done, lock. Let me just turn off the music. So then can get up. Can me continue play? Then I'll leave. But through him making money already, him say alright, everything good. Cause more time he want to support them too, you know? Remember when Bugsy keep purple kisses across the road? We have about 300 people.
Come over.
Have a look watch it. And we lock off and making party turn out good. I like me I tell? True.
Wow.
If
Uno never lock down the bar, the club.
And we'll lock up so people walk across the road and go over there.
I said, one time Nick and Charlie, they have a funeral. He was a regular customer there, right? And he died, eh? And they have the repast there.
That's a history.
My God. Man.
I used to that.
Police come there, man. When police come there and see whatever, him beg, we just calm down, just keep it on, you know? And remember that turn away off him, just say, cause everybody wear a t-shirt, in memory of him, and you know?
Yeah.
And
I think he give it 1 more hour for say, yo. You said too much people.
Yeah, he give 1 more hour and say, after what hour, shut down, guys.
That's it. A good police that man. Enough for them on the church, that's it.
Yeah, when the man are burying him, man. Ask Tony. You go there. Cause him so tired from the night before. And I said, Tony, stack up the bar, man. Remember Angie? When nigga Charlie are bury, and we go them, I share with you there for you clean up. Cause the night before was mad. The bar empty.
Wow.
Because Saturday night, Lord have mercy. That the night, I used to that.
You work out DJ?
That the night a history, man. In funeral,
I remember.
I rent a vehicle, you know, and drive one.
Pick up.
Sunrise and then people
Pick
donate food.
Yeah.
Plus what Tony cook. Brother, about, I can't count 700-800 people, or, I don't know. I don't know much people, too much.
What's your name?
Funeral, we couldn't run out of food, man. We have about 11 tray of rice and peas.
Hey, after Debbie got the Debbie went to the funeral, you know, the church, and she never got the burial, right? And she come down there and she tell me, say, Tony, the amount of people me see at the place there, brother, I don't know where you're gonna put them. God.
But it was a summer.
Yeah, you couldn't.
So people was outside, people everywhere, people. My gosh.
Yo, film funeral and that. We couldn't get to guy funeral because we have to take care of our thing. Him no one got the bar. I said, brother, stack up the bar again. You know, see what me yesterday? I told him make money, tell him I'm nervous, you know. You sat the night. I like me tell him.
Yeah, man, make money that night.
You say man make money, tell him nervous. It was why it's just. I remember you know, the Friday night, me and Spooky did it and nigga Charlie. 'Cause every night we play in one DJ. So me used to just love him. Me have certain time of night when me give them the mic, put on the rhythm, make them DJ and party are done. Nothing wrong with
So
that.
nigga Charlie was a regular at the club too?
Yeah, it was
a
regular.
regular
There.
man.
So where him dead from? Natural cause?
Yeah.
The Monday in the slung and
Then say Viagra kill him, but that's not true. Just heart attack, dead. Ryan, you go on, eh? Me, I must done, you know, the spear. Too late for you make out honey.
Mad, you so I go on there.
yeah.
Good I eat.
What?
Good food I
I
eat.
bone him over there, so. Nice, man.
But
Come
better
down
than
now.
no show after. Ask him.
Lion could have DJ still. Bad.
Me used to that
Brother,
before.
when me decide to give you juggling,
Wicked.
how we task? When ask him, when you touch 1 o'clock, you know, I'm say yo, time for people have fun. Whether me I play soul, now get me wrong, you know, me I play everything, you know, me I play soul, R&B. Because me will mash up the place here 4 hours and leave with the Spooky. Because Spooky is a man terrible, you know. Spooky are one,
Good man.
Spooky are one of the greatest, you know.
Spooky, bad man.
With my selector, him insane, man.
Bad.
Ask Tony. Spooky are one of the toughest. Nobody can go around him, no worry. Worry them can outplay him with dub plate, but not regular song.
Him bad man.
He can mix.
So the man is still about.
Yeah,